Are you gonna stop? Stop.
Funky.
The kettle, sorry, I'm boiling water. Hello, good morning, hi. Welcome to another video. I wasn't gonna record today, but last night I saw a video of bread rolls that look way too good. And I really want to make them, so I thought, why not show you? Because it's the first time that I'm making them. So in Spanish they're called... Ooh, how are they called? I forgot. They're not croissants, there's another... Enrollados. Enrollados, that is like rolls, if you translate it, so... Same thing. And they're filled with cheese, these ones were. But I'm gonna fill them with cheese. Vegan cheese, maybe vegan cheese. And also sausages. Because I just want to... Here's what you need. You need flour, bread flour that I'm using now, but you can use any flour. I'm using a mix between yogurt and light butter. The yeast, salt, and also milk. Let me get the milk. That I'm using this milk. The same people that I did trying to hang out. I'm wearing joggers because why not? And I kind of like it with this jumper, so... I'm obsessed with role model at the moment. Ooh, what did I do? No! I'm so hurt. Whatever. Never mind. I'm cold, and when I'm cold I kind of try to move a lot, so my body warms up. What did I have to do? Warm milk. Put the milk, warm up the milk. Warm up the milk and put it with 12 grams of butter and 12 grams of yogurt. 130 milliliters of milk. 12 grams of butter. How do I know how much is 12 grams? Start little by little. That couldn't have been 0. 12 grams of yogurt. Boom. 9, 10, 14, sorry. Hit this up. Order! I wasn't recording. I was trying to measure the yeast in this little thingy. But it's not measuring! It's raining a lot. A teaspoon is 5 grams, right? So I need 7 grams. So a teaspoon and a bit. If you have too much, does it not work? Oh damn! Store in a cool dry place. Store in the fridge after opening with the plastic cap secured tightly with forks. I didn't put in the fridge. Is it dead now then? Rayos! Oh. Well, whatever. No, whatever. How do I know if it's alive? Okay, I'm panicking. I think it's alive. There's bubbles. Is it? Am I imagining things? It's not dissolving. I don't know why. I don't know if that's normal, to be honest. I'm gonna make it. Like, put it to rest and blah blah blah, rise. If it doesn't rise, I'm gonna add baking powder because I don't have more yeast. 225 grams of flour. That's a heck of a lot of flour, gosh. You're supposed to add the salt at the end. I'm gonna add the baking powder now because even if it doesn't rise, then I don't have to do it. Now we add the salt. This is not gonna work with the spoon. It's actually not hard. It's a bowl now. A bowl that we have to mold. Oh. I have to do this for 15 minutes, so She's a smooth, she's a viewed. Now we let her rise for 2 hours or more, if she ever rise. Right, so it's been more than 2 hours actually, because 2 hours wasn't, I don't know, I was just doing stuff. So, besides, inbred, the more you leave it, the better. So it did right. Boom, ba-bam! So it wasn't dead. Woohoo! Now we have to divide it and fill it. Aha! Never mind this. That's so nice.
That's edible slime.
Oh yes! The texture. And look at that. She divided onto 10. But I have the recipe. So in 5, but I think that in 6, because this looks big. Those are my little divided doughs that we need to spread. I don't have a rolling pin, but if you do use a rolling pin, I'm gonna use a bottle. Pens, rolling, how do you call it? Bin, or no, not bin. Pin, rolling pin. 5, 6. Perfect. What's up? Is that copyright? I don't think so. That would have been funny if it would have been captured, but it's not. It's not raining anymore. It's sunny. There, so it doesn't stick. My purple bottle. I'm gonna fill some with cheese and others with sausage. Where are my sausages? Daydreaming and I'm thinking of you. Daydreaming, but you know. I could do sweet one. Do I do sweet or do I not do sweet? Ooh, I'm with chai. So you put the cheese there and then you do like these little cuts and then you roll it like that. Oh, I can't do it with one hand. So once it gets to those, it has these little thingies and then you can like twist it to make like a croissant shape. I'm doing some with this chorizo. I literally just put the little sausage on them and then roll like the same way that the other ones. Okay, here they are all. I made 2 with sausages, 3 with cheese, and then I made 1 with like a chocolate spread. Now I have to let them rise again for, well, she didn't, but from the recipes that I've seen, you have to make them rest for a bit more. So I'm gonna make them rest for like 20 minutes and then I'll put them in the oven for, I think it's half an hour. I'll check. Right. Ooh, sorry.
Are you talking so much?
Ooh, here they are. Here they go. For 20 minutes I checked. They're done and they're so cute. Look at that. Oh, they look so good. Amazing. Oh, I'm so happy. Time for the taste. They're so good. And you see the cheese. Oh, so good. I mixed cheeses, so that's how it looks. Amazing. And this one is the one of the sausage. Right. Thank you for watching. Hope you try it because it's amazing. I'll never buy bread again. I'll see you later. Bye.